What's going on, everybody? This is System Test 23. And before I get started with the system test, I got a couple of things you guys might want to see in my parts collection and stuff. So, without further ado, I recently cleaned up the shelf down here. You can see I have all the parts, all this good stuff, stuff that is needed in an urgent situation, like if you have to replace your control panel or what have you. And for instance, if you need a new keypad, you can easily have these parts down here, so if anything goes bad on you, you can easily switch that out. Or something like that, for that matter. You can easily replace your keypad if you have to. We'll just put it that way. And you can see, DSC board replacement, DSC keypad replacement, voice driver with Furious Barking Dog on it, Ultronics power relay, desk mount for the Honeywell 5828 keypad. Let's get back over to this side here. Parts box, batteries, you never know when you're going to need those, another voice siren driver, and another Honeywell Omni alarm system panel, and more parts in the box here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but and some more parts in this box here. I have a lot of parts, but you never know when you'll need something, so it's always good to have tools and parts on hand, whatever the situation throws to you. Sorry if I can't speak. Whatever something goes down, you'll easily have a part on you. So, or actually, if something goes bad, you'll easily have a part on you. Sorry, I just got a little stuttery just now. Sorry about that. And then I got extra wire here. You never know when you'll need that. And more extra panels over here. And yeah, so that's pretty much the tour of my parts, over here. Whenever something goes bad, you might need a new part. So, anyway, I am gonna stop stalling around and get to System Test 23. So here we go. And this time we'll pull this pull station to change it up a little bit. So, without further ado, here we go. Here's the voice evacuation message now. Okay, let me get my keys now and silence the system and reset it. Sorry about that. It's a little hard with a big iPad like this to reset the pole station with one hand. Okay, I need an Allen wrench now to reset this. You can easily see me reset this one. It's not because the cover is not on there. And close this bad boy up now. Ah, shit. Gotta hang it straight on, and there we go. Okay. Oh, by the way, I am gonna fix this pole station in the future. I just wanted to let you guys know that, as well as maybe upgrade the voice evac, something newer. I don't know yet, I gotta find where I can find voices for free online, or I get a voice evac panel, a real one this time. Because this is how the voice evac's controlled, by the way. I don't think I ever told you guys this. It's controlled by this little amplifier right here, which has I think it's got a 24, I think it's got a 12 volt DC output, or actually, I don't know, it's hi-fi stereo, and yeah, it doesn't have the specs on it, but I think it's a 12 volt or 24, I think it goes up to 24 volt DC, maybe up to 70, I have no idea, but 24 volt or 12 volts enough for these speaker strobes, which is what I got here, and I got here, and that's basically all the speaker strobes I have, and the rest are horn strobes, as you can see, as well as strobes only, and as well as chime strobes here. So that's basically all it is. And you can see this wire, it comes down from here, it goes to here, is all spliced together with A and B, professionally done, as the matter of fact. And basically that's all it is just that 12 volt amplifier doing the whole thing, and it does a good job as well. So eventually I would love to save up for maybe an old Harrington Signal company, or Incorporated for that matter, voice evac panel, and a Harrington Signal panel for that matter. So two separate panels, one for voice evac, one voice evac panel, and one, main control panel that's together with the voice evac panel, because nowadays voice evac panels are all in one, and something, it's just not the same as separate equipment anymore. If something breaks, the problem with all in one is you can't fix it, you got to replace it. So I recommend, if you guys have this as a hobby, or a fire alarm system, or a burglar alarm system for that matter, like that over there, I recommend you do everything separately as much as you can. And that's my opinion on it. Everything should still be separate now, because if something goes wrong all in one, it's very hard to correct that, and sometimes you have to replace parts for that matter. So yeah, I just figured I would tell you this is basically all it is. It's just on this piece of wood set up like that. So have any questions, just comment it in the comments section down below, and I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.